Okay, so this is that Sachs from the earlier video, and in the end of that, I was talking about how the cylinder was restricted. And it was correct. There's a D cylinder on it now. It's doing about 35. If you're thinking to yourself that should be faster, you're also correct, because my final RPMs are around 8,900, sorry, at 35 miles an hour, which is due to the gearing now, which is obviously another restriction on this bike. Stock gearing on a standard 505D is 1145 on 17-inch rims with 2.25 or 2.5 tires. These are pieces of shit, so it doesn't really matter. This bike has 1145 gearing on 16-inch. So I'm ordering a new sprocket, hopefully going to get that back up to about 40 with the same RPMs. That's my goal. But I finished everything else up on the bike that I didn't have done on the previous video. I just had it running. So it's all tuned now. Like I said, D top end. I've still got the 780 circuit on there. Have the Tomo CDI, but now I've got lights. And I'll show you that. Let's see. We have one. I should probably put a real kill switch on there. So yeah, as you can see, everything is actually perfect now. It runs great. It has lights. Everything's wired. I put a front brake on for just, you know, the coaster brake is cool, but I kept running into the door while I was going to test ride it. So yeah, that's it. That's just a little update to the last video, and maybe I'll do one more once I get that 37 tooth rear sprocket. Because Treat sells 42s, 37, or that's what they have in stock anyway. So I decided to say screw it and run 37 because I don't think 42 is enough of a jump to make a true difference between this 45 tooth rear sprocket and you know, that. So that's all for now. Like, subscribe, do all this stuff Cody would say. Smash that like button. He'll say, and see you guys later.